Today we are swapping out these dirty OEM floor mats for a nice set of OEDRO floor mats. Let's install these puppies in 60 seconds or less. Step one, yeet the old floor mats out of here. Step two, install the new floor mats. These are 3D scanned for your exact vehicle, so it has a like factory finish. And you have total containment. You'll notice everything runs right up to the door seal, so everything stays right in these floor mats instead of getting on your nice carpet. Now we repeat for the back.
My baby!
So easy, you can do it one-handed. Everything again is 3D scanned to fit your exact make and model. Even has the factory clips. Gotta love that perfect fitment. If you accidentally spill rice out of your pocket, boom, it's like nothing ever happened. You just pull it out. Good as new. Full containment, nothing on the carpets. We're ready to rock and roll, baby. It's a non-slip surface, so even if you spill some water, soda, anything like that, it's not going to affect your ability to have traction on these mats. This is military grade TPE, so you know it won't fade, it won't crack. It's literally half the price as the bigger brands and better quality. Click the link in my bio to see if they make a set for yours.